Hi guys, let's see if we can learn a lot about the rainforest. You ready? Let's get started. The rainforest has 4 layers. The emergent layer. Birds, bats, and butterflies live in the tops of the tallest trees. This is called the emergent layer. Canopy. In the top of the shorter trees or canopy, you can find animals such as toucans and monkeys. Understory. Snakes, red-eye, tree frogs, and other animals live in the understory or lower branches. The last one is the rainforest floor. Animals such as jaguars can be found on the dark forest floor. Also, many other types of insects. Rainforest ants and anteaters. A toucan that lives in the rainforest. A rainforest frog. Can you guess where it lives? It lives in the canopy layer of the rainforest. A cute little monkey that lives in the rainforest. You guys are doing such an amazing job learning so much about the rainforest. Okay, bye.